Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out a video of mine. As you guys can see on the title, today's video is a summer makeup tutorial, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. I also will be posting every product I used in this video on my description down below. So before we get into the video, my contacts are from TDDI. And if you guys would like to purchase some contacts, you guys can use my discount code for money off, which is NikkiV. I'll be linking that down in the description. You guys can go check out their Instagram as well. I will be doing my eyebrows off camera, but the gel I will be using is the Anastasia gel, and the concealer will be the Tarte. To apply the concealer, I will be using this brush. So I just finished doing my eyebrows. As you guys can see, all the concealer on the top, it looks weird. I'm gonna conceal my eyes so I can start the eyeshadow. Okay guys, so I had to add a little necklace because I looked a little dead. So to conceal my eyes, I will be using the Tarte. After that, we're gonna grab a clean brush and I'm gonna get some translucent powder. So for my eyeshadow, I will be using this palette. And the first color I will be using will be this one right here. Then for the crease, I will be using this palette. And for my outer corners, we're gonna go back to this palette. And on the top, go with the same color you first started off with, so you can just like blend it. So I tried something, but then I didn't like it. So I guess I'm just gonna be grabbing the same color I used here to fill in here. And I'm gonna grab concealer to clean up the sides. These eyelashes though, I cannot remember what eyelashes they are. I cannot remember what eyelashes these are, but I will be linking them down in the description. Oh my god, like I'm gonna go through all my boxes and see which ones are missing. What? These eyelashes are bomb, like no lie. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I feel like I say this about all my eyelashes. So foundation I will be using today is from Frankie Rose Cosmetics. So I was looking at the comments from one of my old videos and I was using this brush, right? A little girl commented, not to be rude, but you're using a paintbrush. Do you know how much this costs? Oh, like $5, but this is not a paintbrush. Ooh. Now that I'm done with my foundation, I will be concealing my face with this. So now I'm gonna get translucent powder, and I'm gonna grab the sponge. I need a new sponge, it's so dirty. And to take it off, I will be using this brush. To contour, I will be using this, and I will be using this brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the powder contour because you know I need contour, and I will be using this brush. What's up with all my What's up with all my brushes being pink? Oh, I forgot. I'm using this shade. For the blush, I will be using the Morphe palette. And I will be using the, I'm pretty sure this is like a MAC brush. Yeah, I think. They're all so pretty, I don't know. I'm gonna go with this one right here. So this is the same brush I used the other time to take off the translucent powder, and I will be using it again. Now I will be applying this under my eyes. It's the Ulta eyeliner. So now I will be grabbing a color from this palette. Now the mascara I will be using is this one. Now for the highlight, I will be using the Amrezy highlight. This highlight is so nice. I like it so much. I forgot. The lipstick I will be using is from Frankie Rose. Okay, so this is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also leave a nice comment. Some of you guys know that at the end of every video I do have a nice comment shout out, and today's best comment shout out goes to Maria Valadez. Thank you so much for being subscribed to my channel with your post notifications on. And if you would like a best comment shout out, all you have to do is comment a best comment and turn on your post notification, and also be subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.